Hello children, let us continue with the rest of the chapter of Rise and Spread of Islam. The Muslim community was split into two sects, the Shia and the Sunni. The Shias regard Ali as the Prophet's true successor and believed that a Caliph should be related to Prophet Muhammad either by birth or through marriage into his family. Whereas the Sunnis believed that a caliph should be chosen by the whole community. The next topic we will come to is the caliphs. Abu Bakr succeeded Prophet Muhammad as a caliph after his death. The four caliphs ruled from 632 to 661 AD. After them, two dynasties ruled the Islamic territories. They are the Umayyad and the Abbasids. Now the Umayyad dynasty ruled from 661 AD to 750 AD and they moved the administrative capital of Islam from Medina to Damascus and they conquered many territories. The next we come to the Abbasids, who belonged to the Shia sect, and they took over the Islamic Empire by overthrowing the Umayyads. They shifted their capital at Baghdad. The famous ruler of this dynasty was Harun al-Rashid, during whose reign art, culture, science and literature flourished. The next topic we will focus on is the decline of the Caliphate and the emergence of Turkish Muslim rule. By the 10th century, the power of the Abbasid Caliphate was on decline. Many Arab territories came under new rulers who recruited physically strong Turkish tribesmen from Central Asia as their soldiers and generals. After 11th century, different groups of Turks like the Seljuk, Ghorid and Ottoman controlled West Asia. In 1258 AD, the Turks from Central Asia captured Baghdad and established the Great Ottoman Empire. They even conquered Constantinople and renamed it as Istanbul, which was made the capital of the empire. Now let us concentrate on the Muslim contribution to the culture of Europe. Muslim scholars developed various centers of higher education, like universities in Iraq, Egypt, and Spain. They taught various subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, medicine, astronomy, and astrology. As the Arab traded with India, China, Europe, East, and West Africa, there was intermingling of different cultures. They even opened a famous library and center for translation in Baghdad, which is known as the House of Wisdom. This library contained works of Aristotle, Plato, Euclid, and Pythagoras. The next topic we will shift on is their contribution to different fields like in science, mathematics, literature and Islamic art. The first topic we will focus on is their contribution in science. Now Muslim scholars built laboratories in the period where many science subjects like physics, chemistry and medicine were taught. Ibn Sina and Al-Razi were great Arab scientists and physicians. Ibn Sina wrote an encyclopedia of medicine called the Canon of Medicine. Many new chemical compounds were discovered by them. Coming to mathematics, Al-Biruni and Omar Khayyam were great mathematicians. European mathematicians learned Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3 from the Muslims. But the fact is, the Muslims had learned this system of number writing from the Indians. Next we come to literature. Rubaiyat, the Arabian Nights, the Shahnama by Firdausi were some of the most famous works of the time. These books tell us a lot about the culture and life of the people of those times. Islamic art It was mainly a combination of different elements like abstract decorative features with geometric, floral and calligraphic designs. Next we come to India and the Arabs. Now Islam first came to India through the Arab traders. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first Muslim ruler of India. Caliphs like Harun al-Rashid and Mahmud encouraged the study of Indian arts, sciences and literature. The Panchatantra was translated from the Persian into the Arabic language. Many medical treatises like Sushruta and Charaka were translated into Arabic. Various Indian books of Varahamihira and Aryabhatta were translated into Arabic. Even the decimal system and concept of zero was borrowed by them from India. That's all for today. We will carry on with the next chapter in the next video. Thank you.